Hi guys, today's topic is mobile operating system. As we all know, we are using mobile phone on day-to-day basis, and so we are wondering about how it's working. So mobile operating system is nothing but a bridge between mobile hardware and the application. It helps user to interact with a mobile hardware by using the mobile application, such as camera application. By clicking on the camera, we are actually using our physical camera or the hardware camera, which help us to click the picture. We can adjust the length, we can adjust the brightness of the camera by using a simple application. So the mobile operating system is behind that. Let's understand the history and the evolution of the mobile operating system. First mobile phone was introduced with actual physical keyboard. So user need to type the message uh, and then send it to you. The basic functionality of the first mobile phone is that incoming and outgoing call and receiving and transmitting the message. Then the smartphone was introduced with a touch screen, so user can interact with a mobile phone by using touch screen. And then the application started to develop, such as WhatsApp, games like Angry Bird and other stuff was started to get introduced. Now the modern mobile operating system. So modern mobile operating system is the connectivity for the everyone. If we lost our mobile or we are not using the mobile, we will get discontinued from the current world. So the mobile phone is very essential toward us. Key feature and capability of the mobile operating system. First, the user interface. User interface is like how user get interact with the operating system, how user is using the application is come to the user intersection part. Like if we are opening setting, what should be showing in a setting function, how can user interact with the setting application was introduced in the UI interface, user interface. App ecosystem is like how developer can create the application for that operating system, such as for the Android there are the vast majority of the application because it is open source operating system. But as compared to the Android, there is a least number of application for the iOS, because the iOS have very majorly security standards. Connectivity. Every mobile operating system should be focuses on connecting the mobile devices to the other stuffs like internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or NFC tags, which enables user to communicate or send files or receive files from the other user, getting call, receiving calls, like that. Security and privacy. Now we store our majorly data, we store our majorly data in mobile devices. So maintaining that data and maintaining the privacy of our data is make a essential role for the mobile operating system. So mobile operating system uses the security standards to protect your data, such Android versus iOS. Android versus iOS. That are Android is a majorly type of operating system, as well as iOS is another type of operating system. Let's talk about the Android. Android is a open source operating system which is developed by the Google itself, and it has free to access for the everyone. Like manufacturer can use the Android operating system as per they want for their hardware devices, but iOS is fully opposite towards the Android. iOS developed by the Apple, and it is restricted only our operating system. So Apple's devices can only access the source code of the iOS devices, and only Apple can use that. So we assume that iOS is a greater in a security purposes. Emerging trend and mobile operating system as a AI integration. As we know, the latest launch of Samsung S24, they have introduced multiple AI features such as text translator during voice call, image remove, object remover, image modifier, etc. Like that, we can emerge multiple AI features in mobile operating system. Augmented reality like AR. So, latestly, the Meta has introduced augmented reality AR. So we can use our cell phone to explore any other world or use any Meta services to explore the AR VR services. Foldable devices like multiple companies trying to innovate the foldable devices, such as Samsung. Samsung has introduces their Z Fold flip phones first time, and it's become more popular. So according to that, Samsung has created a greater UI for the foldable phones. Security and privacy concerning. As we know, we keep our data in we keep our very essential data such as photos, banking information, personal information, passwords in our cell phone. So keeping it secure, it is a major function of the mobile operating system. So operating system use for password protection, biometrics, or any other type of services such as face recognition, etc. And mobile operating system comes with a malware detection as well as bug finding. They come with their own antivirus, etc. For the privacy, mobile operating system devices use data encryption. They use key and pair data services. For every application we need to give permissions, such as when we install the Instagram, we give permission to the camera, our albums, contact logs, etc. So that permission, it is a part of a security or a privacy section. Location and tracking. If we lost our device, we can track by using the Google services, so we can easily track our devices. Optimization, app development, performing optimization. Creating mobile application is easy, but maintaining the mobile application is very difficult because we need to carry forward the multiple factors such as user interface, user behavior, how application will be handle the load, etc. Also we need to check for the cross platform supportability of the application, so which help by the mobile operating system to understand that. Future of the mobile operating system, cloud integration. As we know, we can store our data in a cloud, Google Drive or any Apple Drive, etc. 5G connectivity, multiple device comes with a 5G connectivity, as we talk about the artificial intelligence, IoT, Internet of the Things, which also become a very essential part in a mobile operating system. Thank you. That's it.